having declined from the double top of 14.79 as of late January of this year. SPCB stock is still in a strong bullish trend, or rather, the underlying trend is still bullish. And still holding gains of around 46.89% this year so far, and for 7.5 for the last 1 year. I think much of the gains of the last 1 year came about. Those gains came about, from late December and then early January. I think much of those. Right now we haven't seen any change in this pre-market session of today, the 24th. But we have some projections here. The price we can see here is expected to show strength. It's expected to reach the highs of, rise to around $8.4. It's currently at 7.08 now. So by today, it's expected to reach 8.45. Then by tomorrow, okay, by Tuesday the 29th, 8.88, and then uh, yeah, continue on to 9.07 by the 12th of May. This is the project extrapolation of the price. In terms of its moving averages, you can see that is pretty much the case. Pretty much the case. If I remove the projection of its price and put the projection of its 40-day moving average, you will see that it seems the 40-day moving average may contain any attempt to drop. You can see. Let me see. Yeah, you can see this is the 40-day moving average. This is it. And it's stemming from this downward projection where it's currently trading at right now. So there's a suspicion that it's just right on the support of, let's see what that support is, $6.97. There's a suspicion that it's going to hold that this level for some time to come, at least all the way towards early June. It's not expected to dip below that, even though by then the 10-day moving average is also expected to slightly dip. So in a very short time, at least for the next 1 month, this is it's not really expected that that will be the case. Unfortunately, as well, there isn't any further upper projection on this chart for SPCB based on this daily chart. Rather, we have downward projections, but so far all the projections don't support these lower prices. They're not supported. It does not mean that that will not happen. A lot of things are happening, and things can always change. So this is how things stack up on the daily chart for SPCB. We can just quickly have a look at its 4 hour chart to get an idea of what's going to happen in the short term, in the very short term. Let's see here. We have upper projection here. What do we have? 7.14, 7.37 is projected. We can add one here, make it one. One just gets the moving average, just 1 day moving at one period moving average, which is referring to the price, because obviously the price moves by every one period or every day. So here we are seeing weakness in this session, and by 2nd of May, it might inch up slightly to around 7.15. But today, it's expected that we might see prices around, prices are right around 6.79. Just these are intraday prices, so some decline is expected today, but this is a 4 hour chart. We can have a look and see what. Let's see. Let me try. I've not tried this before. 0.5. Let me see what it's going to give us. No, it doesn't do 5. We could do. Okay, let's move charts. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see. Yeah, you can see the 1 hour chart here. We have spikes. We have 7.28 is expected today. Even 7.29 is expected, even 7.31. So some volatility will be in play today in today's trading session. Here do we have here on the 1 hour chart, we have higher projections at 8.0, 7.65, 8.03, 8.26. This is in a very short time. Obviously, the essence of moving around to see what's happening. To see what you don't see in other charts. That's the essence of moving around. We can quickly come down to the monthly chart and see what the trading range is expected for this month. What is left of this month. This month, April. Let's see. Let's change this back to what it was, 40, and then remove it, and then add the market grid. It just gives us an idea of what the range is. Let's see what the machine learning logics have in for the stock. So here we have a trading range of something below. I mean, some prices way below $0.8, and then but in any case, it's between 0.8 and 12.52. That's what the trading range is indicating here. But they have, in terms of entries and exits, it's a very wide one. By 14.33, you shouldn't be there. By 12.52, you should be getting ready to be out. You should also be out as well. 10.49 equally out as well. So as things stand right now, it's comfortably trading within its market. It's comfortably trading within its 1 month trading range. Yeah, comfortably doing so. So that inspires us to have a look at its daily chart to see the sort of projections we have there as well. Yeah, daily chart is just going to be pretty much 1 day, but it's still relevant. Still very much relevant. It also gives you an idea of things as well. Yeah. So let's come down. What's the trading range here? It's between exit is or rather entry. A buy entry signal will be around $6.31. So right now it's trading at around $7 or thereabouts. So it's approaching resistance. It's trading within some. It's trading. It's meeting some resistance. It's resistance levels. Yeah, 7.11. That's at 7.08 now. So by 7.29, you should be getting ready. 7.49, you should seriously think about it. By 7.61, you shouldn't be. Just based on this is just a day, 1 day outlook. But I think it may still be relevant. After today, I think it may still be relevant after 1 day. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. So it's trading within its market grid. So, but on its monthly chart, it is still comfortably trading. Yeah, still, you could, if you like, because there isn't any danger of anything collapsing as such. So that's what's going on with SPCB at the moment. Still holding gains of around 47%. Since this year, I think it's thanks to this double top of 14.97, and the probability of it printing those prices is still very much there. So have a look and see what you make of SPCB, and thank you very much for watching this video.